Vama, that is ataf, other previous ma, yakhruju minha. Vama, again waw and ataf, and ma goes back to the first ma. Yanzilu minas samai. And what comes from the sky. Vama ya'ruju fiha. What is the meaning of ya'ruju? To ascend. To go up. To ascend, brothers and sisters. Araja ya'ruju. Bab nasara. Araja ya'ruju. You see, I will, request you that it will be a good habit whenever a new verb comes and you are not, it is for the first time and you are not 100% sure, write down Madhi Mudariya. So that when you are revising, it will make it easy for you. And after few times, it will take a permanent residence in your hard drive. Okay, inshallah. وَمَا يَعْرُجُ فِيهَا. Okay. وَهُوَ الرَّحِيمُ غَفُورٌ. But the ataf, what is huwa? Mubtada. Where is the khabar? Rahim is your khabar. Number 1 and khabar number 2 is fine. Ghafur. Qala ta'ala fi surati ash-shura. Lillahi mulku samawati wal ard. Yakhluqu ma yasha'u. Okay, again, yakhluqu. Fi'lun mudari'un marfu'un bi damma. Fa'il mustatir. Taqdiruhu huwa. Where is the maf'ulun bihi? Ma mawsula. Are you with me? Fine. And what is yasha'u? Silatul mawsul. Yasha'u is a complete sentence. What is madi? Sha'a. Ajwaf. Sha'a yasha'u. Where is the file of yasha'u? Where is the file of yasha'u? Mustatir. Taqdiruhu huwa. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So here, brothers and sisters, you will say yasha'u is your jumla fi'liya and it is coming as a silatul mawsul. Yahabu. What is the meaning of yahabu? He bestows. He grants. Okay? He bestows and he grants. Liman yasha'u. Liman, to whomever he wants. Okay, but li, harf jar. Where is ism majrur? Man. And what is man? Here man is also ismu mawsula. What is it? To whom he wishes. So man is ismu mawsula. And what is the yasha'u here? Silatul mawsula. Remember these things. Wa yahabu liman yasha'u inathan. What is inasan? Of course, we know it's lakiya. But what is it? Mansu. Why it is mansu? Mafulun bihi. For which verb? No. Yahabu. Yahabu. It ends there. Inasan. Wa yahabu liman yasha'u al-dhukura. So dhukura is mafulun bihi for wahaba yahubu, inshallah. You got the idea? Don't you find this interesting, brother? I was fascinated by these things. When you learn it, alhamdulillah. Okay, brother, we take a break to recharge our batteries. Okay, brothers and sisters, we are back from our break. I hope everybody got their batteries recharged, inshallah. Ta'amal, ponder. Ta'amalil amsilatal atiyata lil ismi. Musaggar. Musaggar means diminutive noun. Okay. I think now it is time for us to go to the key and read a little bit. In this lesson we learned the following. Number 1, we have learned that most Arabic verbs have only 3 letters, which are called radicals. The first radical is called fa, the second is called ain, and the third is called lam. And we say fa kalima, ain kalima, lam kalima. These names are taken from the verb fa'ala, which has been taken as an example for all verbs. It has become a pattern for all verbs, fa'ala. If one of the three radicals is waw or ya, the word is called al-mu'tallu. Al-mu'tallu means weak. Okay. If the first radical is waw or ya, the verb is called mu'tallul fa'i, weak of fa. It is also called misal. Okay. We will now go by the name of misal. If the second radical is waw and ya, the verb is called mu'tallul aini, weak of ain. Ajwa. If the third radical is waw or ya, the verb is called mu'tallul lami. Now this is weak of lam, it is called nakis. Okay. If two radicals are weak, the verb is called al-lafif. Al-lafif. Okay. In this lesson we learn the misal verbs. We have examples only of the words having waw as the first radical. Okay. Now I'll write down on the board example of ya. Ya'isa. See, when you go to Mudariya, nothing is dropped. Nothing is dropped. So this is misal al-ya'i. What is it? Al-misal al-misalul ya. Are you with me? Ya'isa, to become despair, to lose hope. Yabisa, to become dry. To become dry. Yatama, everybody knows Yatama, to become orphan. Orphan. Yatim ho gaya. Orphan. Are you with me? Now you see, Yatama, this is Bab Daraba, Yatama, Yai Timu. And this is Yabisa, Bab Samia, Yai Basu. Yaisa, Ya Asu. You want some extra meanings? You go to, inshallah, look into the dictionary. Okay. Now we are not touching this, and in this, no changes take place. But if it is Al-Misalul Wawi, then all the changes are taking place in the Mudariya. Al-Misalu Al-Wawu or Wawi. Okay. In this lesson, we learn the misal verbs. We have examples only of the verbs having waw as the first radical. Okay. Waqafa, wazana, wada'a. There is an abnormality in Mudariya of the misal verb. The first radical waw is lost in the Mudariya when it is waw. Okay. Okay. Wazana became yazinu. Instead of yawzinu, it became yazinu. Like yajlisu. And after the omission of waw, it becomes yazinu. Okay. The same way, waqafa yakifu. Instead of yawkifu, Wajada, yajidu instead of yawjidu. Wada'a, yada'u instead of yawda'u. So waw is dropped. The amar from tazinu is zin. No hamzatul wasl is needed at the beginning as the verb does not commence with a sakin letter. The amar of tada'u is da. Okay, now we come to here, brothers and sisters. Wulaid is the diminutive of waladun. Okay. The diminutive form is used to indicate smaller size for endearment. For endearment. It has the pattern of fu'ailun. But the noun has to be 3 letters. If it is 4 letters and 5 letters, it has different patterns. So do not, try to make a ismu tasgir from something which is more than 3 letters. Then it will be wrong on the wazan of fu'ailun. Only 3 letters. Okay. So you see, Zahrun, flower, Zuhair. Nahrun, river, Nuhair. Abdun, Ubaid. Hasanun, Hussain. Got the idea? Okay. Bahrun, Buhair. Bahr is the sea. Buhair is the lake. Small sea. See how logical Arabic is. How beautiful it is, brother. Ha huwa za, here it is. This expression is used when a person or a thing you have been looking for suddenly appears. The feminine form is ha hiya zi. Here I am is ha ana za. Now comes very important, brothers and sisters. Yajibu is the mudari of wajaba. So yajibu literally means it is necessary. It is wajib. It should be. Yajibu alayna an nafham al-Quran. We must. It is wajib on us to understand the Quran. Brother, reading Quran and not understanding, that's not fair. We didn't do justice to the Quran. In fact, we did injustice. That we have the guidance of Allah and we don't understand. We are going to be asked in the Yawm al-Qiyamah about all these things. Okay, brothers and sisters. Here the phrase an nafhama is the fa'il. See, Dr. Abdurrahim does not go in detail. It is mastar muawwal. He did not mention it. So it now becomes wajib on the teacher. It becomes necessary on the teacher to explain. Some of the teachers don't venture into this because it's difficult concept. But I found out that if we started in the early stages of our study with simple analysis of the grammatical terms, then we are building our foundation. And then when Mastar Muawwal came, you could understand, comprehend. But most of the people do not understand Mastar Muawwal, and truly speaking, they get gabarified. They get scared. Okay, but alhamdulillah, we can understand it very well. So, fa'il is your an-nafhama, and what is an-nafhama, brothers and sisters? Al-mastar al-muawwal, inshallah. Here are some examples, okay? Now, we will do the examples later on. You can read all this later on. We have learned one of the patterns of mastar. What pattern did we learn, brothers and sisters? Fu'ulun, Sujud, Ruku, Nuzul, Khuruj. Now we learn 2 more patterns. One is, brother, there is a typo. Fa'alun, make it fa'alun. There is a typo here. Fa'alun, brother, like zahabun, going. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? From zahaba, and najahun from najaha. The verb iyabun means return. It is from aba ya'ubu. Brother, look at aba. What do you see? What do you think, Hassan? What kind of a verb we should call it? Ab. Sister Manas? Ab. So, what should we call it, Sister Rahima? Ajwaf. It is Ajwaf. It is Ajwaf. Are you with me? Very good. Huh? It is on the pattern of fi'alun. So, iyabun is on the pattern of fi'alun. Another example of the pattern is nikah. See? No, nikah is on the pattern of fi'alun. And zahabun is on the pattern of fa'alun. So, here is a difference. Fi'alun and fa'alun. Two different patterns. Okay? From nakaha, yankihu, bab daraba. Okay, brothers and sisters? Inna. Are you listening? Inna ilayna iyabahum. See? Inna ilayna iyabahum. Brother, analyze. Inna harfu tawqid wa nasbin. Ilayna jar majrur shibu jumla khabar inna khabar inna muqaddam. Khabar inna is marfu, correct? You are right. Oh, where is the ismu inna? Iyaba. Wa huwa mudaf and then mudafa. Wa inna alayna hisabahum. Now you see, when you look at it, you know why there is a fatha and why there is a kasra and what's going on. And immediately you understand. Hisaba is ismu inna. Iyaba, it's ismu inna. And brother, then you don't have to translate. You just understand directly and feel the sweetness of the sentences, brother. The eloquence of the sentence. And this is the miracle, brother. Quran is the miracle, the way it has been composed. Nothing can match the eloquence of the Quran. Nothing will match, because it is the kalam of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So, inna ilayna iyabahum. Truly, to me is your return. And truly, it's on me, your hisab kitab, accounting, alayna, on me, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, on us. Okay, inshallah. You'll keep that in mind. Aqallu, brother and sister, is a comparative of qalilun. Little, it is originally aqlalu. Are you with me? Because two lams are coming together. Aqlalu. Like akbaru ajmalu. But as the second and third radicals are identical, the third radical has been assimilated to the second radical. So you will keep that in mind. Now we go back to the main lesson, brothers and sisters. So, walaid, brothers and sisters, also write down somewhere near exercise number 5, the wazan fu'ailun. Write down the wazan fu'ailun and highlight it. So that is your pattern. Fu'ailun, and highlight it. So you now know this is a pattern. What is the condition? Sister Hafza, what is the condition for fu'ailun? 3 letters. The noun has to be 3. If it is 4 letters, you cannot put this pattern. It is different. It is different. That we'll learn in book 3, inshallah. No need to go now, inshallah. Walaidun, waladun, sagirun. Jubailun, jabalun, sagirun. Nuhairun, naharun, sagirun. Kulaibun, kalbun, sagirun. Sagir, make diminutive asmal atiyata of the following nouns. Brother, rajulun, rujailun. Kalamun, kulaimun. Tiflun, tufailun. Najmun, nujaimun. Isn't it sweet, brother? This is very beautiful, brother. Once you understand, it's very beautiful. Now, brothers and sisters, we come to تأمل الأمثلة الآتية لاسم تفضيل. قليل أقل. ممنوع من صرف. دبتوت. لذيذ ألذ. شديد أشد. This is very beautiful. Habibun ahabbu. Ahabbu. What is the difference between ahabbu and ohibbu? You can easily get confused. Ohibbu is a verb. Ahabba, yuhibbu, ohibbu. That is a verb. I love. Okay? But ahabbu is a superlative or comparative degree. This is like akbaru, ajmalu. Ahabbu. It is a noun. And it is diptote. It is on the pattern of af'alu. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. May Allah bless you all with more knowledge, brothers and sisters. Okay. Now there are some beautiful, beautiful sentences coming, brother. Ikra ma yali. Baqiya remained. Akallu min as-saati. Translation, brothers and sisters. Less than an hour is left. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So where is the file of baqiya? Akallu. Marfu. Akallu. Marfu. Fine. Al-burtuqalu ladhizun. Translation, brother? Oranges are delicious. Wat-tuffahu. But the apples, al-ladhu minhu. They are more delicious. Al-ladhu means more delicious. So brother, at-tuffahu is mubtada. Where is khabar? Al-ladhu. MashaAllah. Abi habibun ilayya. Are you with me? Abi habibun ilayya. My father is dear to me. My father is dear to me. Wa ummi is more dear to me than him. Of course, it's natural. That's the way Allah has made, the status of mother, brother. Allah has put the status of mother at such a high pedestal, brother. And there are many beautiful sayings of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Wa ummi, brother and sister, ummi, how many words? 2. Where is our mubtada? Ummu. Wa huwa mudaf, mudaf ilayh. And where is our khabar? Ahabbu. And see, ilayya. Remember ilayya. Okay? What is ilayya? Jar majroor. Minhu, from then him. Minhu will be then him. Comparative. Comparative degree, sure. Al-bardu al-yawma ashaddu. Al-bardu mubtada, al-yawma zarf, ashaddu khabar. What is the meaning? Today is very cold, severe. The cold is, al-bardu, the cold is more severe. More severe. Look at this, brother and sister, most beautiful sentence. Ma ahabbu durusi ilayka. What is the translation, brother? What is the most loved lessons to you? Ma ahabbu durusi, mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. Ahabbu durusi, mudaf. Most, this is superlative degree, ilayka. Look at this. Ahabbu durusi ilayya. Ahabbu is your mubtada. Wa huwa mudaf. Durusi mudaf ilayhi. Ilayya jar majroor. What is the most beloved, most dear of lessons to me is Al-Quranul Kareem. Isn't it beautiful, brother? Ahabbu durusi ilayya Al-Quranul Kareem. So what is Al-Quranu? Khabar, and Al-Kareem, Naat, mashallah. Here is another beautiful thing, brother. It's coming. The next one, number 7. 6 is Kana tullabu kalilun amsi. The students were less yesterday. Wal yawma hum akallu. They are even less than today. They are even less than yesterday. Look at this, brother. Man ahabun nasi ilayka. Who is the most beloved of human being to you? Huh? Who is the most beloved human being to you? Huh? Who is the most loved one, you can say? Who is the most loved one of the mankind to you? Who is the most loved one of the mankind to you? That can be the most appropriate translation. What is the answer? Ahabbun nasi ilayya, the most loved person to me, Rasulullah. He is the most loved person to me, Rasulullah. Okay. Where is Mubtada? Ahabbu. If you write down this, you will always, will understand. Otherwise, you may forget. Ahabbu is Mubtada wa huwa mudaf, nasi mudaf ilayhi, ilayya is jar majrur, and Rasul is the khabar, the most beloved person. Wa huwa mudaf and mudaf ilayhi. And what is sallallahu alayhi wasallam? Parenthetical sentence. Put it into the bracket, inshallah. Ta'ammal ma yali. Aina al-kitabu? Aina al-kitabu? Ha huwa za. Here it is. Aina sa'atu? Here it is. Okay. Aina al-Ibrahimu? Now, Ibrahim is sitting somewhere. I don't see him. And I ask you, Aina Ibrahimu? And he wants to reply himself. What will he say? Here I am. Ha anaza. Here I am. Ha anaza. Okay. Yatazaharu. But this is a different form of word. It means to pretend. What is it? To pretend. Yatazaharu al-mudarrisu bil-bahthi an al-shay. The mudarris pretends to look for a thing. Okay? And that thing is mudhakkar. Ismu mudhakkar. Fayakulu ahdu tullabi, and one of the students will say, huwaza. So I am looking here. And aina al-kitabu. And then one of you will say, huwaza. It is here. You are looking there, ya ustad, it is here. Okay? And in the same way, see the verb, the madi is tazahara. What is the madi? Tazahara. This is form 6. We'll do soon, inshallah. Tazahara. What will be the mutariya? Yatazaharu. Okay, I give you, brother. Tasa'ala. Yatasa'alu. Can you conjugate? Tasa'ala, yatasa'alu, yatasa'alani, yatasa'alun. Amma yatasa'alun. Are you with me? These are form 6. We will be, inshallah, learning soon, inshallah. Now he is, the teacher is looking for suppose watch. Aina sa'a. Maybe he left it, he forgot. And one of the students says, here he. It is here. And then, brothers and sisters, now he can ask for somebody who is not, visible to him. Aina Muhammad? Then Muhammad will say, anaza. I'm here, ya Ustad. Okay? That's how it is, inshallah. Ta'ammal misal from kawwin jumlal mithlahu musta'milan fi yajibu ala. Further, now we have to form sentences with yajibu ala. Musta'ina bi kalimatil waridati bain al qawsaini. Using the words which are into brackets. Here is the first example, brother. Yajibu alayna an nafham al-Qur'an wa na'amala bihi. It is wajib on us, necessary on us. We must, we should, to understand Quran and act by its commands and guidance. Now, in order to do this, brother, look at the verb. Here is yajibu. I have to fill in the whole sentence. The thing is, تكتب الواجبات بانتظام. What is the meaning of بانتظام? In a systematic manner. Intizam, systematic manner. In a nice manner. Are you with me? Bintizam. Fine, brother and sister. Whom are you addressing? Taktabu. Someone, singular, anta, in front of you. So what will you say? Yajibu alayka. And then, an taktuba. An taktuba al-wajibati bintizami. Are you with me? Yajibu alayka an taktuba al-wajibati bintizamin. Bi intizam. So this is very beautiful, very important sentences. So you have to use yajibu ala. And after Allah, you have to give proper pronoun depending on whom you are addressing. Okay. Look at it, brother and sister. Tafazina. Who's tafazina? Anti. So what will you say? Yajibu alayki. An tafazi. No noon. Surataini hadha al-isbu. Translation, brother? Whatever the sister is in front of you, oh sister, it is necessary for you to memorize 2 surah this week. Now, brother, yajibu takhrujuna. Who is takhrujuna? Antum. So what will you say? Yajibu alaykum. Yajibu alaykum. Yajibu alaykum an takhruju without noon. Okay. Min al-fasli bi huduin. What is the meaning of huduin? Calmly. Calmly. Okay. Brother, yajibu tadkhuluna. What is tadkhuluna? Antum. What will you say? Yajibu alaykum an tadkhulu fasla qabla dukhulil mudarrisi. What is the translation, brother? Enter the class before the teacher enters. Very good, brothers and sisters. Now, tadrusu. Or you. So what will you say? Yajibu alayka. Yajibu alayka. What is yajibu alayka? An tadrusa lughat al-arbiya. Why? Li'annaha. Because it is Lughatul Quran. How beautiful this sentence is, brother. And now change this into, brother, nadrusu. What will you say? Yajibu alayna an nadrusa al-lughat al-arbiya li'annaha lughatul Qurani. Translation, brother? Yajibu alayna. It is necessary on us to study Arabic language because it is the language of the Quran. MashaAllah. Brother, zahabu, mastar, zahaba, yadhabu. Nakulu, we say, uridu zahaba ilal bayti. Uridu zahaba ilal bayti. What is the meaning of this? I want to go home. That is what it is. You can also say, uridu an adhaba ila bayti. You can say, uridu an adhaba ila bayti. Same thing, brother. You won't say in English, I want going to the house. You will also translate, I want to go home. To the house. Okay. Ya Ustad, arju an tasmahali bidahabi ila al-mustashfa. Translation, brother and sister. Please allow me to go to hospital. That will be your translation. Please allow me to go to the hospital. I request you to allow me to go to the hospital. Kharajtu min al-fasli. Kharajtu min al-fasli liz-zahabi ila mudiri. I came out of the class to go to the mudir. To go. See, infinitive. When you say to go, it means An azhab. Because you are talking about yourself. An azhab ila mudir. هذه تذكرة الطائرة. This is the تذكرة is ticket. This is the plane ticket. إلى دمشق. ذهابا وإيابا. What is the meaning of ذهابا and إيابا? So what will be in English? Return ticket. What will it be? Return ticket. Is it clear, brothers and sisters? Inshallah. Brother, write down Aba Ya'ubu. Aba Ya'ubu. Aba The first vow, brothers and sisters, the first vow is the kursi for Hamza. It is a kursi for Hamza. Fine. Al-kalimatul jadidat. Ajnabiyun. Foreign. Mahfadatun. Wallet. Naqdun. Nukud. Money. Khata'un. Mistake. Akhta'un. Akhta'un is your jama. Iyabun. Masdar, returning. Aba, ya'ubu, iyabun. Zahabu. Az-zahabu. Going, brother. Kursun. Tablet. Akrasun. Tablets. Tazkiratun. Tazakiru. Tickets. Kilogramun. Kilogramatun. Unsa. Feminine. Jama. Inathun. Zakarun. Jama. Dhukurun. Bintizamin. What is bintizamin? Jar majrur. Jar majrur. Systematically. In a nice manner. Wajaba yajibu. Araja yaruju. To ascend. Bali'a yablau. To sorrow. Brothers and sisters, very interesting lesson, inshallah. I hope you found it as I had found it. Especially the new sentences. Yajibu, alayka, alayya, alayna, alaykum. We can nicely make it, brother. And plus the new form of verb, al-mithal al-wawi. Inshallah, you'll do it at home. And then Monday, ajwaf. Now that is more complex than mithal. No. Ajwaf is more complex than mithal. In other words, it is more interesting. And naqis is the most complex than mithal and ajwaf. In other words, most interesting. So please do now. So inshallah, you will try and come, and we'll do it inshallah. ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار. ربنا هب لنا من أزواجنا وذرياتنا قرة أعين واجعلنا للمتقين إماما. ربنا ظلمنا أنفسنا إن لم تغفر لنا وترحمنا لنكونن من الخاسرين. ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت السميع العليم.